Hi everybody, welcome to the 7-Star Culinary Institute and to Flavor Box. My name is Chef Aaron and I'm proud to introduce. Now let's find out what is our dish for the day. Boy oh boy, look at those. Your high school, primary school favorites. Namungodi rice balls, arancini for the Italians. Let's do this together. So here we go. Start with salt, about half a teaspoon. And then you want to have, I love to play with cumin. You can use the seeds or put the powder in there. And then some oil to make sure that you have that rice very fluffy. Now here's the thing. To cook up this dish, you want to make sure that you have the right choice of rice, and I love to use super rice. And then I love to add my lime. That brings in some acid. Just cut that in the middle and then just drop it in there. Okay, don't squeeze. When you squeeze the lime, it's going to be quite too much, so you want to make sure it's just in there. Then the rice pops in. So you want to cook that for about, say, give or take 15 minutes. Salt, cumin powder, garam masala, paprika, and then the main one is the paprika. You want that yellowish color coated on the outside there, and then just get that water in. And we're going to put a little bit of sugar. This is very important just because you want to cut that acid in them. Now, let's start making these rice balls. So I would prefer to say, put them on a flat plate there. We're just going to start cooking them. So you want to have them rested onto your perforated spoon and then carefully guide them in. Now, it's not fully coated on the outside. That's the first coating. Now, return them into that butter one more time. All right, so our rice balls are out. Our namungodis are superly cooked. Now, let me show you something else that I would love to do. I'd love to put these onto my skewers. And then I'll have my ketchup on the side and then get my chives, nicely cut them up. I would love to dig in with you guys, and let's go. And let's go for the bite. Wow.